So I'm back in the office now using my AutoCAD desktop application. And I've been notified that there's been some changes or some traces added to the GF1031 Southeast Madison underscore cloud.dwg file. So what I've done, I've opened up AutoCAD. I've gone up here to this icon here, and I've opened from AutoCAD Web and Mobile. And I've gone down here. I'll go all the way down to G again. There we go. There's our Madison cloud drawing there. I'll open that up, and it opens the file. Now, that file is now the cloud-based file. I'm working on a drawing in the cloud. If I go to the Collaborate tab here, and I open up the Traces palette, you will notice now that Restrooms 001 is available in AutoCAD Desktop as well. If I click on that, it takes me straight to that trace that I created previously. Check Restroom Config, like so. Now that's great. So the Check Restroom Config is in there, and that's Restrooms 001. Now, wouldn't it be nice if I could check the restroom config and then put another trace on this drawing to say that the restroom config is the way it should be? Now, I can do that really quickly and really easily. Let's close trace mode so that there's no traces displayed. And what I can do now, you'll notice, can you see here, I've got the ability to create a trace or import a markup perhaps into a trace. Now, we're not going to worry about markups, but I am going to create a new trace. There's trace 2, like so. I'm going to right click and rename that as restrooms. Let's make sure I right click and rename that and not move away this time. There we go, restrooms. So this will be restrooms, spelt correctly, I hasten to add, like that, restrooms. This will be 002. So you'll notice now I'm in the trace mode, but you can't see restrooms 001. So if I now go to the Home tab on the ribbon, I'll make sure I'm on the 0 layer, as you can see there, and I'm going to go into the Draw panel, and I'm going to go to Rev Cloud and create a rectangular Rev Cloud. Now again, it's prompting me for a corner point. I'm going to right click and go to Arc Length. I'll set the arc length there to say 1200. And the first corner point, let's go to there, drag that out over the restrooms. There we go, like that. And what I'll do now, I'll add some M text. So I might zoom in a bit here. Let's see what we've got by way of our text styles. Let's go with Arial as a text style there. And I'll just go multi-line text. And I'll click. And I'll drag to there. And I'll type in the text now. So the text will be something like restroom config is all okay, let's say, for example. So I'll do that, close the text editor. Again, really small text. So select it, right click, go to properties, and we'll change that to the text height 250. So let's have a look. Text height is 4.5. Yeah, a bit too small. 250. Press enter, and you can see that's now fine there, like so. So close properties palette, hit escape a couple of times to deselect the text. Restrooms 002 now has arrived in the drawing. So we've now got two traces in the drawing, but as you can see, they're iterative. Restrooms 001, restrooms 002, and on it goes. Restrooms 003, restrooms 004. So we're done now with this. We can close the traces palette. We can close the trace mode, and we can now save the drawing. Just click on save. That'll save it in the cloud. And what we can do now is we can jump into AutoCAD Web again. Now, the drawing has been saved. It doesn't matter that it's open here in AutoCAD Desktop whatsoever. So I'm just going to quickly Alt-Tab and jump into there. There's the AutoCAD Web app, and there's my cloud drawing again. It's the most recent drawing I've been working on. So that'll open that up now in AutoCAD Web, like it did before. And notice now, there's the restrooms 002. Restroom config is all okay. Can you see how revolutionary this is for collaboration on drawings? It's amazing. And I wish I'd had it 25 years ago. As a CAD manager, it would have made my life so much easier because I've got a list of all of the traces that I'm using in the drawing. And if I go to restrooms 001, can you see there's the restroom config, restrooms 002, restroom config is all okay. In real time as well, I hasten to add. It's really, really clever. And that's how you can utilize AutoCAD Web to collaborate on your AutoCAD drawings.